Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about authentication mechanisms. Introduction to API authentication.
Understanding authentication in APIs.
Authentication is nothing but verifying who is making the API request. It ensures that only authorized users or systems can access protected data or functionality. In API development, authentication is the key part of client server security. So for example, client is talking to a resource, there should be a authentication mechanism. If client is talking to a server, so there should be a authentication mechanism.
Why authentication is important?
Why do API need authentication? APIs often expose sensitive data and business logic. Without authentication, anyone can access it or misuse the API. Authentication helps prevent unauthorized access, track who is accessing what, enforce rate limits and user permissions. A secure API is nothing but a trusted system.
Common API authentication methods.
Below are popular authentication method in API.
Basic authentication.
It is a simple username and password exchange between client and server.
API key.
A unique token per client can be exchanged.
JWT JSON Web Token.
It enforces token with user data.
OAuth 2.0.
OAuth 2.0 secure delegated access is this is one of the secure and delegated access.
Mutual TLS.
Yeah, it is a certificate based authentication. These are the various authentication mechanisms available in the market.
In the next video, we will break down each method, how it works, when to use it, and what interviewers expect you to know. Let's make authentication simple and interview ready.
Yeah, thanks for watching. In the next videos, we will break down each method and how it works and when to use it and what interviews expects. All these things we will try to cover more in better fashion. Thank you.
Thank you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Python plus fast API content, and let me know in the comments. If you want real project examples using fast API, thank you.